Hun Jibay,
Hun greetings.
Keima Mela Jinailing, Govazanghu Mori Apat Kahi. Amasan Kanami Piho Kangailut na Jibay Kahin Bole. Ahun Hunding, Tatun Nisim Sagi, Kumsang Nile, Somnagit Nile, Champai, Kaitilman B, Military Colony, Kampupi District Muna. Ani Vechan na Hun Tadaute Golnuk Kimangding Ahi. Hizi chun mundina ummi pihozo se na bon chawin ki pa ta le thanom ta a hung hadingin hun golnu organizing committee thalhengin ngai lu ta in ka hinte me ka ki pa e.
Hi, this is Vasi Harhaiva from Kahopi. I, on behalf of the Hun Festival Organizing Committee, request your gracious presence at the Hun Cultural Festival celebration. The second Hun Thado Cultural Festival will be celebrated on the 7th of April 2018 at Champai, Kaitilmanbi Military Colony, Kahopi District. Do come and create memories with your loved ones. Thank you. See you there.